the black sun, source of life and power. The Kongo teaches that when the god Akongo hides the mysteries of the universe, Kongo Diambumba, he wears the black color, while when the Lord Akongo reveals his mysteries, he wears the white color. Thus, therefore, the black color is the color of the angel who hides the mysteries of the universe. The Kongo religion says that behind the visible sun, white, there is the invisible sun, the black sun, which is the source of life and power, manifested by the visible, white sun. The visible is the body, while the invisible is the black, the omnipotent spirit, the soul God. The black sun is the symbol of the unmanifested god Akongo, while the white sun is the symbol of the manifested god Akongo. May he who has intelligence understand these words of truth. In Japan, in the martial arts, the most advanced man is called black belt. In the holy place of Islam, in Mecca, there is a sacred stone of black color. I am God, I am black. Who is speaking? It is a mysterious solar god who speaks, the god of the great black sun, who gives life and power to the white sun. Silence! Secret of the Kongo initiates, Buntele. Note: when Ntumua Mas was once studying the civilization of Ekipata, he had started by studying the Medu Netta, the hieroglyphs, in order to assimilate this knowledge. Thus, he understood the importance of the solar disk because the black Egyptians were worshippers of the god Ra, whose symbol is the circle having a point in its center. The god Ra was also called Muanda Ka, in other words, Muanda Kalunga. Ntumua Mas had deciphered certain passages of the Book of the Outing of the Day in order to know the solar postures to worship the god Ra. Ntumua Mas always turned to the east, waiting for the living disk to rise, and prostrated himself in the manner of the ancient Egyptian solar priests, and let the rays of the living sun penetrate his body through his eyes. What happiness! Maybe he is an ancient solar priest reincarnated on planet Earth. In any case, to his great surprise, the postures of the Nabi Kongo are the same as those of the ancient solar priests of ancient Egypt, Ekipata Njipiti. What can we say about the many Mbila dedicated to Njui and Tangu, Nebraska Mbamba Loa, Nebraska Kongo Kalunga, Mfumu Oma Kongo? Hey! Sa